She's a freaky young, a bisexual. What's good, YouTube, man? You know how we coming, man. We got a special gift for y'all today. We got an unboxing from Heat Press Nation. 400 pounds. I'm about to get into it. We got to show y'all how to set it up.
Gang, gang, hold on.
He couldn't wait. He said, grab the still.
Now, I look a mess right now, but you already know it's Big Swerve Vino in the motherfucking building, you feel me? We got Big Kato in the cut, you feel me? That's my big back ass man.
It's all on those shit.
Shout out to this bowl I'm eating. They know who they is. Sponsor me, and then I'll say the name. He finna leave us to do it behind the camera. Just do it right here. Look how stupid he looking. He finna leave
He
us.
looking stupid.
Gee, why you just... That's not good. Okay, hold on. Why can't you? How was Buddha, though? You asked how was Imran. How was Buddha?
Somewhat in between. Great. Other side of great.
On the other side of the grate?
Yeah.
The other side of the grate is bad, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
I think I think you want to be on the side of the grate.
Oh, okay, that was intuitive. That was intuitive.
No bad, no bad. That's money on it.
Unlimited money on it.
No bad. No bad. Alright, so I'm confused. I don't know how to take this out. It's time to lock in. Man, this box is 400 pounds. Alright, so basically, I didn't have to flip the box sideways and you gotta scoot it out instead of pulling it out from the bottom. So yeah. This on here first. Put that right there. And then you put this. And then it's another way you can screw it too, folks. What the world? Alright, it's another way you can screw it too, because like I did it the wrong way. I did it this way. You can do it this way. Yeah. You can put the other screw in. Alright, YouTube, this is day 2. You feel me? We got our print. We gonna cut it out. That's what you need for the heat press. We got it set up. Right here. This is the heat press machine. Signature series from Heat Press Nation. As you can see that. We about to plug it up. Boop, boop. It's finna turn on. Oh, matter of fact, it's not because you gotta press on over here. As you can see that. Hood. It's gonna heat up. You wanna pull this like this. We ain't attach the second bar because, you know, I ain't feel like it, you feel me? So we set it up. You press this button right here to set the settings, one of these. Now you press OK for the settings, and then you set it on Fahrenheit. You want to set it on Fahrenheit, or you want to set it on Celsius. Most of the time you want to put it on Fahrenheit. The degrees we using is 350. Okay. Seconds, 60 seconds, and it's gonna heat up. Don't touch it because it's hot, as you can see, college and hot. I can touch it right now because it's only on 97 degrees. But look, you press it, you come down, time will go off, and you pull it up, and you're ready. So while that's heating up, we gonna cut this out. If you can see it, yeah, you can see it a little bit. So we will be pressing a plastic vest or a nylon vest. I don't know what it is, but I know it's a vest for sure. And then there's a puffer vest. So we gonna see how that works. We gonna put a piece of garment on top of it. Let's see how this works on 260 degrees, 220 degrees. Let's see how it works. Let's do it. Oh, I'm gonna just keep it like this. All right, pick it up. Oh, it didn't stick. It did not stick. It did not stick. So we got some work to do. Depending on the material you use, you gotta change the temperature of the heat press and the timing also. But yeah, other than that, man, you just press it and go. I heard it's a workhorse. I'm giving it a 5-star. My thing, you seen the little, you feel me? They emailed me. They emailed back quick. You seen the little mishaps I had with the screws in the bottom, but I screwed them out. I drilled them out. But other than that, bro, Heat Press Nation, they got it. I got the 16 by 24. We pressing right now. I'm doing the cotton shirt because I ain't got the filter thing right here. Pressing the vinyl on it, and we gonna pick it up. It's gonna go off. Yep. And it slide out. I kept it on there for 60 seconds because I wanted to make sure it got through the cotton of that shirt and got to the vest and press the vinyl. So right now, I'm gonna press it with this Cricut thing. I should press it like 10 more seconds and then peel it. That's what I'm about to do. That's what I'm about to do. Press it 10 more seconds and then this puffer vest. It's gonna go to 10 seconds. Well, I'm gonna count to 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, pick it up. So with this, as y'all can see, it's on there. It's in the middle. I'm finna push it down for a little bit. Not long. And just see if I can peel it. Yep, and it's coming up. I should have did that a little bit more, but we'll be alright. It's gonna go back down because it's hot. It's gonna go back down because she's hot.
The way I put clothes on, you would think I had a stylist. Can't teach this shit in school, I was in here with this knowledge.
Videos, but this is the back.
As long as you know I love you, I ain't gon' rush. As long as I know you love me, I can probably trust it. As long as I know I can love you, we can probably last. As long as I know I can trust you, we ain't gon' crash.
I messed this up with the Cricut Easy Press. Don't judge what this look like because I did that with the Cricut Easy Press, but this is A1. This is just a project. As y'all can see, we got these other 2 cutouts. I will be pressing 2 more vests because I got 2 more orders. And one thing I did not tell y'all about is this thing right here. This little knob. It's like a gauge. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey. So if you go left, it make things looser for hoodies, vests, coats, and then you see how high it is, it goes up. But if you want to press small things like tank tops, t-shirts, you twisting it, you turn it right and go down. Everything else gonna be in the guide, and if you got any problems, just email them, bro. They're real cooperative with the emails. So yeah, subscribe, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Thank you for the 200 subscribers. We got more videos coming soon. I see the progress, man. I see what we're doing. We gotta keep going, bro. You gotta keep going. It be hard. Life be lifing. You gotta have that ammo, bro. You gotta keep shooting. So let's go.